Wes and I down at Rangers Only shooting a moving drill. We have a mover on the big berm there that's moving about 2 miles per hour. We're supposed to shoot that one and transition over here. Shoot the berm, which is about 250 yards, and transition back to the second berm, and that target's about 300 yards. Then we're going to transition to the berm behind the mover, which is about 550 yards, and back to the mover, original mover. And it's a mover set on a time frame, so it moves from right to left and stops about a minute, and moves back from left to right. And you have one shot for each hit, and if you get one extra shot, if you miss, so it's 2 shots total. But if you miss twice, then you have to stop and go back to or transition to the next target. And Wes is about to shoot, so we'll videotape him.
Impact. 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 To the right. Impact. In front. Impact. Shooter up.
Up.
Impact. Charlie. Impact. Impact. Try again. Impact.